Hey you guys, today I'm gonna show you how to check your air filter for your scooter and check it and clean it if you need to, because air filter is very important to the scooter performance, and it's always good to check it out and make sure you clean it out nice and neat. And today I'm gonna use the air tool with my if you see my previous video with the air compressor I bought. Okay, let's get started. So there's a couple of screws right here you need to take it out. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's about 6 screws. So I'll go ahead and remove it and go on from there. So 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, 4, 5, and last one, 3, 6 screw. Oh, no, 7. Seven screw. Yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty clean. Look clean, no clog or any kind. So that's good. That's good. But I'm still gonna clean out a little bit. So here is the air filter itself. Air filter pretty clean too. Look like it's brand new, like new or mint condition. So there's no clog or any dirt. So must be the environment I'm driving in. That is good. So if you ride it on the countryside, you might have more dust than mine, but mine look good. So a lot of people might wanna check the filter itself to see if have any gasoline in it, or some gasoline nut right here. So if you have gasoline right here, that means like there might be some problem with your scooters leaking. So usually people got performance problem or stalling problem because they got gasoline in there, or the filter is clogged. So it's all good to check it out and see. I'll go ahead and just try to clean off with my air compressor gun. That's why it's such a benefit to have an air compressor gun, you know, so you clean this stuff out. Always nice to clean everything. Make sure it's working great. But you know, mine is clean, so everything looked good. Just exactly like the first time I got it. So I'll go ahead and put everything back together because everything looks nice and clean. So put it back exactly where it is. Make sure it's snug and tight, so you don't have any problem with it later on. Mine look snug and tight, so it look good. And then put the cover back in. Snug and tight. And go ahead and put the screw back in. See how nice it is? I have the air tool. So you don't have to waste your energy trying to tie this thing up. That's it. Everything looked nice and good. And my scooter right now is almost 1,000 miles already. So, but the air filter look really nice and clean. So I really like that. So easy task to keep your scooter running. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Alright? Okay, bye.